Alright guys, welcome back to another video by Felicia Russo Films, and in today's video I'm going to be recording another Paludarium build. This is going to be a perfect setup for stuff like turtles, semi-aquatic animals like fire-bellied newts, fire-bellied toads, and yeah, so first I'm going to show you the supplies that I got from Dollarama. Now, just like the typical dollar store that we have here in Canada. So, before I show you how much I got everything for, I'm going to show you the products. So, here's a decorative patio stone, and then there's also these other kind of stones that they were selling there. So I guess these just intertwine like that, and it's for like creating patio stuff like gardens and whatnot. So I got those. I got 2 pieces of greenery that I'm using in the aquarium. I got this lily pad kind of style one, and now I got 4 packs of these stones here, and these were interesting. I've never seen these there before. So there's these larger style stones, but they're adhered to this almost like a mesh, and it's stuck there. So I'm gonna use this for, I'm not sure what I'm gonna use it exactly in the aquarium yet, but this is gonna be the floor level of them. And then these stones here I'm going to use to fill in the gaps to make it look all in one. Now I'm going to be using this 30-gallon aquarium here. It's a beautiful 30-gallon aquarium. And then this is the intake Tetra 10-gallon filter that I'm going to be using. And the reason why it's only 10 gallons for such a large tank is because it's not all going to be filled. It's going to be about 10 gallons of water in there. So let's start with the build. Alright guys, so the first step that I did is I took those 2 patio border stones and I put them right in the middle like that. Now I angled them slightly, that way I can get this filter here, and I'll put it right about there. That way nothing can get past there, and I'm going to show you what the next step is going to be from here. Alright guys, so now what I did was, I angled those like I just showed you, so that way nothing can get past there. I'll give you a front view like this. And I put that flat patio stone right on top, and it fit perfectly. I just squeezed it in there, and it's a perfect fit. I ran the cord for the filter right underneath, and I put it through here, so that way I can just run it right out the back. Like so. And yeah. I also forgot to tell you guys that all of the products costed me $28, which is great to build an absolutely amazing paludarium. So now let's get to the next step. Alright, so I have the first patch of rocks down here, and I didn't anticipate all of these things to fit like literally exactly perfectly into a 30-gallon aquarium. As you can see here, it fits absolutely amazing. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the other one that I have with this, and I'm gonna place it right on top of there. Alright, so I now have both platforms down. I have this part down there, I have that part on top, and that part's there. So we have the land, then the filter, and then this can be the water section. So far I think it's turned out absolutely amazing. And yeah, so let's get to the next part. Alright, so what I did here was I just put that plant right through the back of the wire there to hide the filter wire. So it looks like that. It's going to provide some shade for whatever your amphibians or semi-aquatic animals you have that are going on to that land area. So now I'm going to get the pebbles, and I'm going to fill in all of the areas that I need to. So once that's done, I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I now filled in all of the pebbles and rocks in the side where the water is going to be. And now I'm going to fill in this area as well. Basically just decorate. And I have the frame in and everything else is going to be the decorations. Alright, so as you can see, I now have all of these areas covered, as well as all of the land area in the pebbles. So I'll give you a front look of the aquarium. Looks like that. There you go there, and now I'm gonna add some more decorations. Alright guys, so this is what I have done so far. I added a wood arrangement. There's the pebbles, I added some greenery. Over there, there's the palm little thing there. See a better view of it from up here. I'm gonna get a better lid for this, don't worry. And then over here we have our filter, which is all blocked off, all sealed off. So we're gonna add a little bit more stuff and then time to fill. Alright guys, so here's the finished product of the Paludarium build. As you can see, I have the water section here. Only a couple inches deep for now. I'm gonna raise the water level up a little bit. And then I hid the filter using this wood decoration. So it looks like the falls is coming out of a tree. And then here's the land area. The palm on top. And yeah, so I'll give you a full look of the build. 30 gallons. Here it is. I'm gonna go inside. Give you a full scale. Let's take another look over at the land area. And the rocks. And this side over here as well. So that's going to provide an area for whatever you would choose to put in here to go up on land. So I'd raise the water level up a little bit higher. That way they can go in there and then go in the land. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching another build, and plenty more to come. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.